Hello, my name is Julie White. I'm a learning strategist with Planet Technologies. And this month we're doing a series of tips and tricks on Teams meetings. This is the second video in our series, and today we'll be talking about features that exist in Microsoft Teams that maybe you didn't know about or you're not taking advantage of. Let's take a look. The raise hand feature in Microsoft Teams is a great opportunity to let the presenter know that you have a question. By clicking the hand icon, your hand will be raised in the participants list. Now the organizer or presenter can tell that someone has a question or would like to share insights. And it also allows the presenter to find a good stopping point or finish their thought before allowing others to speak. Once your question has been addressed, you can lower your hand by clicking the hand icon again. Another great Teams meeting feature is the Whiteboard. And the Whiteboard is a digital canvas that allows you and other attendees to do free-form idea sharing through a drawing canvas. The Whiteboard is available to you in the Share tray. So just click on the Share tray icon and select Whiteboard from the tools available. This will also present the whiteboard to your other attendees, so everyone can look and contribute. To draw on the whiteboard, you can choose which pen you want to use and start drawing for your team. You can also add text annotations and sticky notes to your whiteboards. And the settings offer an export feature and to allow other participants to edit with you. When you're done collaborating with the whiteboard, you can click on Stop Presenting. Attendees will be able to see the whiteboard from the meeting details after the meeting has concluded. You can also find your whiteboard as the creator in your app in Office 365 or the desktop application. From there, you'll be able to share it with others if you need to. The last tip we'll look at today is formatting text in the chat space. So when you're on the chat icon, you can type messages back and forth to other attendees and the presenter. But did you know that you can also do formatting for these text chats? This is much like a post in a team or individual one-on-one chats. But being able to format your chats during a meeting can help you clarify your messages, whether you want to bold something or make a message italics, or clicking the ellipses for more options. There are tons of features to choose from, including bullet points, numbering, and inserting links, quotes, and other great tools. I hope this session was helpful for you. Make sure to watch us next week for our final video in the series. And if you'd like to contact a Planet Learning Strategist about anything in this video or the others, you can reach us at info@futureproofyourworkforce.com. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.